Eudaimonia welcomes you. This is Humaira, and we are back to enlighten you with yet another episode. Winter is coming, and so is the possibility for falling sick and catching a cold. Which is why, in today's episode, I will be sharing a few recipes of some healthy drinks that I prefer having during the winters or whenever I feel unwell. So, let us get started. So now we proceed to make our next health drink, which is the ginger tea. For this you need to take a saucepan with some water in it. To this you will be adding some grated ginger. Ginger is great for soothing your sore throat. It has anti-inflammatory properties. You should also know that it is great for fighting against infections and flu. So do include ginger whenever you're feeling unwell. Now to this we will be adding tea leaves. You can add any tea leaves of your choice. That's it. Just add tea leaves as per your convenience, how much you want to add, and we will put this for boiling for few minutes. So the rest of the steps are very much similar to how we prepare our normal tea. Keep boiling the water along with the tea leaves and the ginger till you get a nice color. You need to get the aroma that you need from the tea leaves, but avoid oversteeping because oversteeping of the leaves can lose its properties. So once you get a nice color, just switch off the stove and remove your tea in a mug. I will tell you another alternative for this tea. So if you want to make it like a milk tea, like a sweet tea, you can add milk at this step, and along with the other ingredients cook it for some time so that it absorbs all the ingredients together, and then you can add sugar to it or you can just have it as it is. But today we will be only making the ginger tea without the milk, and we are ready with the tea. You can see this amazing color and I can just get the amazing aroma of the ginger and the tea leaves. So to this I will be adding a few mint leaves because it will make it even more refreshing, and I've also added few drops of lemon, and that's it. I'm going to enjoy this now. So the next health drink is more like a soup. It is also called as the chicken broth soup. It's very simple to prepare. All you have to do is take a saucepan, add 3 to 4 pieces of chicken, add 4 cups of water to it, add few bay leaf, some cloves of garlic, either in the minced form or in the paste form, add some black pepper powder, some salt, and allow it to cook. It is very simple to prepare. It is very healthy. It can be had by anybody. Allow this soup to cook for around 30 to 40 minutes till the fat from the chicken is released. You can see it in the form of oil. Once you see the change in the color of the soup, you will understand that it has been prepared. Allow it to cook for 40 minutes and then strain the soup, keep the chicken aside, prepare another dish out of it, and have the soup as it is in its hot form because it helps in energizing your body. It is really good for your bones, it is very good for your sore throat, and it can be had by anybody. Especially we give it to the elderly because it is very energizing. It is easy to consume for them and it is easy to digest as well. Okay, so the next one is something that you can have on the go because you can carry it. I am suggesting few tea bags that you can have with hot water, and these are also very effective. So my favorite is the peppermint tea. These you can find in any grocery store or even online. Peppermint helps in slightly numbing your sore throat. It gives relief from the pain that you have during cold, and it is very refreshing. It has a natural sweetener in it, so you don't have to add any sugar to it, and the mint makes it very refreshing, so you already feel very energized. If you want, you can also have chamomile tea. Now these are great for relieving the pain, the body pain, and relieving stress, and people normally have it at night. Both these teas are caffeine free, so you don't have to worry about being caffeinated and not getting sleep at night. You can have this anytime you want. And if you want some other suggestions, we also have the hibiscus tea, we have green tea, and regular black tea which you can have. These can be had wherever you are. You just have to carry the tea bags and have it with hot water by steeping it for 3 to 4 minutes, and it is ready to be consumed. We now proceed to our last and my favorite health drink, which I like to call the spice drink, because in this we add spices like cumin seeds, we add methi seeds or fenugreek seeds, we also add some kalonji or black seeds. We add some fennel seeds. These are great for digestion. It also acts as a good laxative. And we add some nutmeg powder to it. You can take whole nutmeg and break it into small pieces. And that's it. We just boil this in some water till the color changes and it absorbs all the ingredients. And that's it. I'm going to put this on the stove and allow it to boil for several minutes so that all the ingredients are absorbed in the water and we get the right color and the taste. Once the water is boiled, you just have to strain it and consume while it's hot. I like to have it unfiltered because it allows me to enjoy the ingredients as well and nothing goes wasted. These ingredients are rich in antioxidants. These have antibacterial properties. So it is not just good for your throat but for the overall health. You can have this drink during the night because it has nutmeg, so it will help you in feeling more relaxed, and with the all other ingredients it will help in improving the digestion as well. Have it all around the year. It's not just for winter because it is having such important ingredients that have such beneficial properties. It is going to keep your body safe and protected against infections. Make it a practice to have something warm in your diet every single day because it not just looks after your throat but also looks after your overall health. It boosts your immunity, aids in digestion and aids in weight loss as well. Apart from the health drinks, you also have to make sure that you look after your lifestyle habits. You must get good rest, sleep well, keep yourself hydrated, and you must avoid cold drinks, soft beverages, or anything that does not suit your throat. Fight against the virus before the virus catches hold of you. Prevention is better than cure, and cure here is not through medicine but through food itself. While I enjoy this last tea, I want you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, share it with your loved ones. Take care of yourself, keep yourself hydrated, and I will see you all next Sunday. Until then, love, invest, find yourself, and enjoy.